We are going to be building the digger from the Lego Classics. Here are all the pieces. Alright, let's get building. It's considered an easy build. And to find the instructions for the digger, you actually have to go on the computer. So that's currently where we are looking at for our instructions on how to build this. So now we are building the digger's arm. Now we're going to be attaching the wheels to the digger. And with the remainder blocks, we're going to be building a pile of dirt. Which is not displayed in the picture, however, the online instructions show it. And there we go. So here is the little digger. The arms are movable, but they're a little stiff. Add that to the other classics with its pile of dirt. And there we go. There is the digger.